Hi, you are watching the only canonical program dedicated to design, and my name is Nastya Kovalova. A lot of interesting things are waiting for you because we are in Milan at the main design event for all the connoisseurs of beauty, iSaloni. Let's go! Everyone who loves comfortable living associates spring in Milan with an incredible event in the design calendar, the Salone del Mobile Milano. This year, the Milan Furniture Show welcomed visitors not only with impressive design, but also with a new stand arrangement. For example, the stand of the world-famous Poliform factory changed its location from the 5th to the 9th pavilion. However, this was not a problem for the designers who arrived to follow the trends of world design and to discover something new. On today's episode, innovative design approach with incredible kitchens from Poliform, as well as bold color solutions from Donna factory.
The kitchen is definitely an important place in any living space. A special glamour and individuality is added by its furniture, especially if it's a Poliform kitchen.
The Italian factory Poliform is well known to international designers for its impeccable quality and incredible design. Every year, hundreds of designers strive to visit the Poliform stand to keep up with the latest trends and to be inspired by new and unique ideas. The theme of iSaloni 2024 was all about kitchens. That is why Poliform presented two kitchen zones, Alea Pro and Artex Pro. The special presentation of these zones was organized for us by Yulia Ignatova, owner of Felicita Design Agency, exclusive representative of Poliform brand in Ukraine, Moldova, Caucasus and Central Asia.
Both kitchens which were presented this year at the Poliform stand are bestsellers. They are very popular worldwide and loved by designers. Very beautiful, functional, and there is a variety of different finishes and combinations.
The modular system allows you to create basically any design, and the fill-in variability can satisfy the demand for any functionality.
Poliform gives you the opportunity to create a kitchen in different styles. You can make a professional metal kitchen like a chef in a restaurant, or make a kitchen as part of the chic interior. Wood finishes, metal, silk, melamine, according to different budgets and tasks, we will find your kitchen.
As always, Poliform demonstrates an innovative approach to design. The factory interprets the Artex model in a new way, with a more modern and attractive aesthetic. Artex Pro is a kitchen with clean lines, where the recess in the worktop deepens, giving the impression that the work surface is floating in the air.
This year, we added functional aspects to our kitchen that can be used in all kitchen models, such as 22 cm vault countertop and 72 mm height countertop that can be used in any kitchen model. Also, our deep shaker family has been updated with horizontal drawers that slide out and complement our standard deep shaker. And there is also a wall unit beautiful glass cabinets with lighting for your dishes. Now they are just amazing. Light comes from a completely new side, so you can illuminate your dishes.
Artex Pro is designed as a system that combines the cooking and dining areas and is complemented by a cabinet system with the same name that matches the dimensions of the kitchen.
In this area we see the island, which is 360 degrees fully functional. We see the area where to eat, the area where to cook, the sink area and the area for cutting. Also the height bolt countertop, we see a beautiful chamfer that comes to us historically from the first stone sinks. We designed it in a modern way and realized in our kitchens. Poliform is very attentive to details. We can see it even the connection of the countertops cut out to the sides and the front. We see here beautiful and practical cutout. It is convenient to open the door, as the depth of the worktop allows us to grab the door. We also can see here the new curvy bar stool, which can be bar and semi-bar size.
The factory fires the imagination of designers by offering several finishes, which are represented in lacquered surfaces, 9 types of wood and steel. All the finishes and configurations can be found in a unique place, where almost all of the factory's products are gathered, the Poliform Lab.
We are now in the area of the Artex Pro model. The kitchen is the same as it was presented at the iSaloni exhibition, but we see it in a completely different way. Of course, at the exhibition we saw it in chic metal bronze and solid wood finish. Here we see matte paint on the bases and metallic paint on the cabinets.
The kitchen has become part of the living area for a long time, especially if it's a Poliform kitchen.
Our Poliform kitchens are so beautiful that we don't hide them. They can be combined with the living spaces, with soft furnishing areas, with the dining room. There are elements that connect these spaces. For example, low bases with open elements where you can put decor and it will complement your living room. We can close completely the working area to hide the sink and appliance in the cabinets to have a clean look. To complement the open beautiful shelves with decor, there are shakers coming out on the island, a hood that hides completely in the island. We can close our kitchen to make it look perfectly clean, beautifully and aesthetically pleasing from the living spaces.
Each Poliform kitchen model can be designed in a different style. In fact, the designer shapes the space himself, using the necessary modules and finishes. Of course, the factory facilitates the work of designers by offering unifying elements.
In this model we see a table of standard height attached to the base of the kitchen. Also we have surface tables, neck, half bar and bar height. All depends on the designer's choice and the client's lifestyle.
Of course, behind any beautiful design there is always functionality. Poliform kitchens can satisfy the needs of even the most demanding designers and customers.
The feeling is very important in kitchen. What is hidden behind a beautiful facade? You have chosen your favorite color, you like it aesthetically, but when you open it, you realize that it is your assistant there, the feeling that helps you to make masterpieces every day.
In addition, the factory offers unique technological solutions that not only fit perfectly into the interior, but also guarantee perfect functionality and convenience.
An important thing in kitchen is the hood. We have an island hood, the one that is mounted on the wall or built into the wall unit, and the one that is built in the shaker and comes out of the base.
Poliform kitchens are created by designers and engineers of the factory in accordance with the latest world trends. This is why the brand remains among the leaders in different countries.
It is quite interesting that Poliform is sold all over the world and the request from each country is absolutely different. There are some tendencies, some like wood, some like paint, some are in love with the metal, and we can provide this variety to the whole world. Poliform kitchens are designed to make your life brighter and more ergonomic.
Coming up next, Ukrainian design at the Salone del Mobile Milano. Greetings everyone, we are Donna Factory and we are again impressing the whole world with our furniture. It is impossible to leave without attention the Ukrainian stand at the Interior Fashion Festival in Milan, especially since it presents the furniture of the famous Donna factory for the second year in a row. Firstly, I would like to mention that it is very pleasant to have Ukrainian brands represented at the International iSaloni exhibition this year, and so many people can see them. I see a lot of curious eyes. People from all over the world come up, are interested and are really impressed by the quality, design and the fact that it is made in Ukraine. Of course, on the first day I visited our Ukrainian stand and I was really surprised because it attracts not only Ukrainians but also people from different European countries. A lot of visitors come up to meet them. I'm very curious and I want to find out what they are interested in, what do they ask, what do they pay attention to. And of course, I'm very proud of Ukraine and Ukrainian manufacturers because I feel and I see that people are interested as well as in the things we create. We wanted to show our strength, our professionalism, our resilience through quality, through bright colors, through this exposition. We have to shine, we have to spread the Ukrainian product around the world, and I think Milan highly appreciated that. A total monocolor prevailed at iSaloni 2024, but the Donna factory managed to surprise visitors with bold, active colors. The color solutions are very cool, very bold, they seem bright, but at the same time I realize that they are now gaining first place in the trends, and if you mix them with calmer interiors, it looks very tasty and juicy. I like Donna very much, first of all for their creativity, and this year they didn't surprise me personally, because they are always in trend. They always know and apparently feel what will be trendy at this year's exhibition, and in fact all over the world. When we were creating this collection and this display for Milan, we knew for sure that we have to show the glow, Donna's glow that everyone is familiar with. And so, of course, we used such a cool, trendy, saturated, bright color, orange, as an accent for creative, bold, bright solutions, and added light, delicate colors to it. The composition is beautiful, the accents are perfectly placed, and this flame is obvious to everyone. All the guests come to us and say, "Oh my god, you are glowing!" The glow from the Ukrainian stand also was spreading from the conceptual half mirror presented by Donna. A beautiful half mirror panel by Denis Sokolov, an incredibly cool luxury accessory that you can have in your house. This is a very cool panel, it is made of natural stone. It has backlight, it has a mirror, so it combines a lot of cool functions in one item. And we have a lot of options, a lot of sizes, a lot of materials with which we can produce these panels. Of course, the suminogashi tables, favorite to many designers, fit marvelously into the interior of the stand. Created with a unique technology that allows you to obtain an exclusive pattern for each product, they evoked a genuine interest among the visitors of the iSaloni. People are also very interested in our suminogashi tables, because it is an incredibly cool author's solution, an absolute exclusivity. People wonder how it is possible, where the magic comes from, how it is made. Like most of the famous factories this year, in addition to the new models, Donna presented a fresh look at its best-selling models of the raft sofa. We introduce our raft sofa in a new look. These beautiful leather edges and cool leather accessories that now decorate our raft sofa, also an option, and we are excited that people like it very much. I know a lot of brands that position themselves as high level, but sometimes in terms of quality and often in terms of ergonomics they do not reach the highest standard. I have already said on all the modules here, it feels great. I can recommend it depending on the client's needs, but the quality is very decent. I especially liked the raft sofa, and when I sat on it and placed my hand on the little table, it was a wow effect. There is leather, very high quality leather, and it was unexpected, because from a distance it looks like MDF because of the pure color, and when I touched it, it was really cool. The quality of Donna furniture is really not inferior and sometimes even surpasses the well-known manufacturers. But at the same time, due to the full cycle of production, the Ukrainian brand offers a very attractive price. Naturally, this makes the brand popular in many countries worldwide. If you work correctly with the colors, for example beige in mono, it will be Scandinavian and it will be perfect for the Scandinavian market. If we are talking about the new collection, I just fell in love with the coffee tables. It is definitely London, Dubai, America. These are the countries that adore such bright colors, prints, again layering and so on. The Donna brand is beyond comparison with anyone else. The fact that they can cover the entire project with cabinet furniture and interior design items, the fact that they are always looking for something new, complementing, they never stop, my great respect for this, and our great love for the brand from Kaminsky Studio. This year we have noticed a lot of requests coming from France. Paris loves Donna and Donna loves Paris. There are also many other countries, such as Croatia, Cyprus and Israel, and we are sincerely happy to receive orders. We are happy to provide furniture for these countries. Azerbaijani designers also visited Donna's exhibition stand, and they wanted to be the first to try the factory's furniture, which is now presented in Baku. We are very pleased with the attention of the architects from other countries, such as Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan. Our friends from Baku are very much looking forward to the opening of our showroom, and we are very excited to display all our beautiful items there. To show something bright, high quality and cool for Azerbaijan and for other countries of the world. Donna, when in Italy, you are proud of what is made in Ukraine. Such was the day of the World's Design Celebration. Salone del Mobile is in full swing. I have a lot to tell you about. See you soon!